Hey, second grade, it's Miss Crawl here, and it's great to see you all back. So today we're going to be doing some more practice with our syllables, and we're going to be talking about a specific kind of syllable and the sound that it makes. So let me go ahead and share my screen so you can see what I'm talking about. So I have 3 words here. I have circle, journal, tunnel. So do you hear they all have that sound at the end? Circle, journal, tunnel. So they all have that ending, but you can see that they don't all end in the same thing. So this one ends in circle, ends in LE, journal ends in AL, and tunnel ends in EL. But they all have that same sound, that ol sound, circle, journal, tunnel. And then also when we break circle up into syllables, circle, we would break it up right here. Journal. We would break it up right here. And tunnel. We'd break it up right here. So do you see that each of these has a consonant and then the LE, consonant AL, or consonant EL. So whenever you break it up into syllables, these words, you see that LE, AL, or EL pattern comes with a consonant. So consonant LE, consonant AL, or consonant EL make up that sound and syllable. Circle, journal, tunnel. So you can see that break it up into syllables, it'll always break with that consonant LE, that consonant AL, or that consonant EL. So let's go ahead and do a little more practice with this. So it says, read each sentence, choose the word with the correctly divided syllables. So we're focusing on the word and the syllables. The sentence says, Jake ate a blank for breakfast. And the word that we're practicing is bagel. Has that ending sound, that old sound that we were just doing with circle, tunnel. Jake ate a bagel for breakfast. So how are we going to divide the syllables in the word bagel? Bagel. Well, I know it has that, I see that EL at the end, and I know that syllable is made up of that consonant EL. So this option right here it just has EL, but I know it needs to have the consonant EL. That makes up the syllable. This one has consonant EL. Bagel. That's how it should be divided.
Good job.
Mom buys berries from a local farmer. Local. So that AL ending, but we know when it's divided into a syllable, it has that consonant and then that ending. So which one has that consonant AL? Well, this just has AL. This one has consonant AL. Local. So this is correctly divided into syllables.
Good job.
Darren's job is to set the table. Again, has that LE, has that same ending like circle, journal, that same ending sound, but I want to break it up into syllables. I see that LE pattern, and I know that the syllable contains consonant LE. So I need that. This top one has consonant, that BLE. I think that's correct, but I'm going to check the second answer as always to double check and make sure I'm correct. This one just has LE. It has no consonant for that second syllable, so I know that's not right. So it's table, consonant LE.
Good job.
Kara's uncle lives in Chicago. Chicago has that uncle, that LE pattern. So I know that when I break the word uncle up into syllables, I need to have a consonant LE for my one syllable. So let's see which one has that. Consonant LE. This top one does, but let's check the bottom one just in case. It just has an LE for that second syllable. We need consonant LE, uncle. So it's this top one.
Excellent work.
Sam likes to solve crossword puzzles. So I'm challenging you this time. We can hear that ending. We see that LE. So in order to have that LE with it, we need to have a what with the consonant? consonant L-E. So what do you think it's? P-U-Z-Z divided there, L-E-S, or is it P-U-Z divided there, Z-L-E-S, puzzles, puzzles, puzzles. Go ahead, hold up a finger for this top one if you think that's what it is, and hold up 2 fingers if you think it's this bottom one. Let me see. So you should have put up 2, puzzles. We need that consonant L-E.
Great job.
A bald eagle soared above the trees. So eagle is our word. We need to break that word up into syllables. We have that L-E pattern. We can hear it, eagle, circle, journal. So we need to make sure that in order to break it up into syllables, that syllable has to have that consonant L-E with it. So does number 1, hold up a finger for 1, have that consonant L-E for the syllable? Or does number 2, hold your finger 2 up for 2, have the consonant L-E? Let me see your answers. You should be holding up a 1. This top one has consonant L-E, eagle.
Fantastic.
This will be our final test. So the word we're working on is final. Oh, we hear that ending. We see that A-L pattern. I want to break final up into syllables. I know if I have that A-L, in order to break it up into syllable, it has to be consonant A-L. So does number 1 have the syllable and consonant A-L? Or does number 2 have consonant A-L? Which one has that? Which one's broken up into syllables correctly? Go ahead and hold up a 1 for the top and hold up a 2 if you think it's the bottom. You should be holding up a number 2, final, consonant A-L.
Great job.
Use a paddle to move the boat. Paddle. So do we see that L-E? We hear that pattern, but we want to break paddle up into syllables. How do we do that? We need to have a consonant L-E for it to be divided correctly. So I want you to look at this top one. Does it have consonant L-E for a syllable, or does this bottom one have consonant L-E for the syllable? Go ahead. Hold up a 1 if you think it's number 1. Hold up a 2 if you think it's number 2. Let me see them. So you should be holding up a 1. Paddle. Consonant L-E.
Good job.
Great. The last one that we are going to work on. It says a pit is in the middle of this plum. A pit is in the middle of this plum. So we have that L-E. We need to break middle up into syllables. We need to have that consonant L-E. So do we have this top one? Does that show that? Or does the bottom one show that? Hold up 1 for the top, 2 for the bottom. You should be holding up a 2, middle.
Fantastic.
All right, second grade, that was awesome work. So today we practiced with breaking words up into syllables and how we have to have that consonant L-E, consonant A-L, or consonant E-L when we break those words up into syllables. See you next time.